Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so if you guys have a check engine light and you guys have this code P000B, camshaft position, slow response, bank 1 exhaust B, you guys are going to want to watch this video. We're going to diagnose the issue, give you some symptoms of what you guys could experience with this issue and how you guys could fix it, which is probably what you guys are looking for the most. All right, let's talk about this. This P000B code indicates that there's an issue with the B camshaft position and relates specifically to a kind of slow response in bank 1 exhaust B. Essentially, this is a powertrain control module PCM and engine control module ECM code that indicates a timing issue inside the camshaft of your car. So the code refers to a camshaft issue. It's and because of that, it's very important, and it warrants you have to fix the issue. Do not drive with this issue. It's crucial. Proper timing of the engine is crucial for proper and consistent engine functioning. The PCM essentially monitors the timing of the camshaft movement and has a target position already set up. If the intake and exhaust valves are not moving as they should, the PCM will flag a system error, and hence you get this P000B code. So let's talk about the symptoms. Obviously, you're going to have a check engine light with this code on. You're going to have a check engine light on your dash. You're going to have this code. So here's what you're going to experience. You're going to have increased emissions and the failure of emissions checks. Obviously, you can't pass emissions with this code. You could have rough idling. You could have increased engine noise. You could have stalling. You could have a failure to start, a no start issue, or you could have rough acceleration. And let's just look at the causes and the fixes of this issue. You could have a loose or damaged fuel cap. If you guys probably want to do that first. Check to see if your fuel cap is loose. It's probably the easiest fix if you guys have a fuel cap that's loose, or maybe the rubber seal on the gasket on the cap is broken or deteriorated. You definitely just might want to change up the fuel cap in this case. All right, you might have low oil pressure. There's a chance you might have that issue. Definitely want to check your oil to make sure that that you have enough oil in the system. Or if you get a separate code for the oil pressure sensor, you might want to just change out the oil pressure sensor. You could have oil that's old or you haven't changed in a while. You have this code and you might want to change your oil. You might have a restrictive oil flow in variable camshaft timing valve, damage or faulty sensor, damaged or faulty camshaft position actuator, binding of advanced mechanism with the camshaft. The rarest issue that could cause this is a damaged ECM. You probably won't have that as an issue. In any case, you guys want to look at those things to fix your issues that I just mentioned. A lot of those things are just easy to do. If you guys have any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up, guys. Take care.